Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something that's really fun. A lot of you guys don't know that my major was fashion design when I was in school. So I just wanted to take it back. I want to give you guys a little bit of tips and tricks and a little bit of insight on what is to come as far as in the fashion industry or major fashion trends for the year of 2020. Let's just dive right into this video. Doing my research and things like that, I came up with 6 different trends that are going to be really popular for the year of 2020. I've done my research as far as like watching when all the spring runway shows came out for all the major brands. The first trend, hold on, got my notes. The first one is going to be neon. Now, I know that we've seen a lot of neon in the year of 2019, but neon on the runway was really popular. So neon is going to transition into the 2020 fashion as well. There were a lot of designers that showed off that neon look on the runway, such as Christopher Kane, Caroline Herrera, Valentino as well. So, and that was for their spring collection. So you guys can see you guys are going to see a lot more of the neon colors for the spring 2020. Now, number 2, we know that leather is normally for like autumn and winter and things like that, but on the runway I did see a lot of colorful leather. So they're going to be transitioning colorful leather pieces into the year of into 2020 spring. So you guys can expect to see a lot of colorful leather. Coach showed this, Bottega Veneta showed this, Alexander McQueen showed off the flowy leather pieces and things like that on the runway. And this trend was just showed up by so many different brands during Fashion Week, from New York to Paris. All right, moving on to number 3. Number 3 is big bags. Now, we went through the year where big bags were really popular. So there were a lot of designers that were showing off big bags, which were Philip Lim, Bottega Veneta, Off-White, what's her name? Stella McCartney, things like that. People like those were showing off the really big handbags. That's going to be another big trend, are the really big bags. Number 4, you guys, there's a tangerine color that I've seen a lot during the New York Fashion Week and during Paris Fashion Week and just the Fashion Week throughout the world. There's going to be like a tangerine type of vibe for the spring. These colors are typically going to be used for sweaters. They're going to be used for flowy tops. They're going to be used for ruffled tops. They're going to be used for shorts, things like that in the spring of 2020. Now, number 5 is going to be the rose prints. We have a lot of rose prints that we've seen, in the year of 2019. A lot of designers showed off some really elegant rose print pieces for during their Fashion Week, and it was really nice. I'm gonna input clips and stuff right here, but they're gonna be really nice. It's really versatile and it's projected to be really popular for this upcoming year, for this year. Okay, so number 6, bucket hats and rope belts are going to be so popular. I've seen designers during Fashion Week such as Fendi, Christian Dior, Rag and Bone. The looks are going to be super expensive if you shop through Christian Dior and Fendi and things like that, but I highly recommend y'all go in your DIY kit. You guys, go in your DIY kit, go in your garages. You're going to find some ropes somewhere, you guys. They're doing these really cute rope belts which are supposed to be really popular, and the bucket hats are not going anywhere for the year of 2020. They're projected to be really popular as well. It's said that everybody and their mom are going to be wearing bucket hats for the year of 2020. I'm really a fan of bucket hats, so you're going to catch me wearing a couple bucket hats here and there too. Fendi showed it off, Giorgio Armani showed it off, Kate Spade showed it off, and also Anna Sue showed it off as well. So those are the 6 major trends that you guys are going to see coming up for the year of 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.